Hi everyone, today I bought this cassette tape recorder, Panasonic model RX CT 880 from a bargain shop. I don't know whether it is working or not. Anyway, I'll just plug it in the power protection bulb and see. Great, there's power. Okay. It is working.
والذوب وهناك تغير منذ أيام الملكة الرحمة والمناخ تتصرف.
أول مرة يعني صراحة. Okay, now I'll open the top to adjust this head. Okay, because I'm afraid it is locked because of proper rust, because it has been left for quite a long time. So anyway, I'll just open the tub and clean it with the WD-40. There's something in both the speakers, so I'll open them to see what is inside. You see? Probably a pencil or ballpoint pen, I don't know. This is what I found. I found a memory reader, and someone made a modification here. This is a tweeter. Actually, I don't like to improvise. I'll just take this small tweeter and place it here. I like the original thing, so I'm going to scrap this speaker to take this tweeter. And here we are. I'll take this small tweeter. Okay, this is the original thing. And well, I'll use the same glue as the original one. Okay, I'll leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'll put it back. I'll give it some time to dry. Okay, meanwhile, I'll check the other speaker. I hope it is not the same, or else I will have to scrap another speaker. Well, unfortunately, it is the same, so I'll remove this one and try to find another speaker to scrap and take that small tweeter and put it here. This is the screwdriver I always use for this model of Panasonic, because the ordinary screwdriver, the ordinary Phillips screwdriver, really does not do well with this model of Panasonic, because this hole is big. Okay, so whenever you insert the screwdriver, you can't find the screw. Okay, only with this one, it makes the job very easy. I found another one. It is a little bit bigger, but it will do. Okay, I'll just place it here. Here it is. It is fine now. Now I'll spray it with WD-40. The mechanism. Okay.
يغفر لكم والله ذو الفضل العظيم وإذ يمكر بك الذين كفروا ليثبتوك أو يقتلوك أو يخرجوك ويمكرون ويمكر الله والله خير الماكرين.
This is the best possible alignment. The head needs to be replaced. When I've heard the head needs to be replaced, and there's no replacement for this head because it is auto reverse. So there's nothing more we can do.
والتنوين ألا وهو الإضاءة.
In fact, I can see no effect at all to the antenna, to the telescopic antenna. Maybe it is not in contact with the board.
وكيف تضغط هذه الحروف في الحروف الهجائية.
No much effect.
نعرف ونقول
I'll have to take everything out so that I can reach the antenna. As you can see, the contacts are very rusty, so I'll clear this rust using sandpaper. Well, and to be sure that there will be contact, I'll extend a wire from the antenna to the board, because I'm afraid the contact points are made of tin. They are not actually made of copper. They have to be made of copper. This indicates that this cassette tape recorder was made in China, not actually in Japan as it is written, because Japanese products don't use tin for antennas, they use copper. This is what I did. I put more solder to the contact points, and so that I make sure there's contact between the telescopic antenna and the board. And I put also a wire here. This wire is to make a connection between the board and the telescopic antenna. Before putting it back, I will try to make sure that everything is connected properly. Then after that I'll restore it and try it for. Now I'll plug in the bar protection bulb. It is working alright. Now I'll put it back, restore it, then I'll try it again. Now this is the final look of the cassette recorder, and now it's time to listen to what it sounds like.
جدا يا استاذ حسين. فعلا الدولة الفترة اللي فاتت دي كان في اهتمام كبير بقطاع السيارات والتصنيع في مصر. اللي عايز اقوله ان
فهدى الله الذين آمنوا بما اختلفوا فيه إلى الحق بإذنه والله يهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم.
هذه الفترة مع المطربة طروب مغنية لبنانية من أصل شركسي.
And now this was the end of our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. See you on a new video with a new product. Bye for now.